This week, Jio released their first laptop, called the JioBook, with the tagline compact, smart, and powerful. It has a 11.6-inch HD display, with 1366 by 768 resolution. It has two USB ports, a 3.5mm jack, a HDMI port and an SD card slot. It also has a 2-megapixel camera and dual speakers. This is perfect for video calling or students for online classes. It has the Snapdragon 665 processor, with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, which is expandable up to 128GB, using a micro SD card. The built-in 5000 mAh battery is claimed to last up to 8 hours on a single charge. Built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and 4G capabilities are included. Users will have to visit the nearest Jio store with the SIM number, in order to complete their KYC, and choose their preferred data plans, which will activate the inbuilt SIM card for usage. The JioBook runs on a custom OS called the JioOS. The JioBook is currently priced at 15,799 on the Reliance Digital website. Link in description. Like and subscribe for more tech news.